Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to disable filtering on Telegram. First of all, you can open any browser that you want. I can open Chrome, so I can now tap on search. And after this you can search here Telegram web. I can already search, so I can now tap on this Telegram web, and after the loading you can now tap on the Telegram first link, and after the loading you can see this type of page, and here you can now tap on three lines at the top left corner of the screen, and after this you can now go to the settings, and here you can just simply scroll down, tap on privacy and security, and here you can just simply scroll down. You can see the option sensitive content. You can see the option disable filtering in the sensitive content section. You can just enable this option, and it is the way you can disable filtering on Telegram. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.